Hello students, welcome to biology class. In this class, we are going to discuss an important topic from the chapter skin. So in the previous class, I have told you that the skin contains two important parts. One is the epidermis and second is dermis. So in the class, we have already discussed about epidermis and its three sub layers. So you can recall that epidermis contains three sub regions or sub layers which are known as cornified layer, granular layer and Malpighian layer. I have told you the functions of each and every layer. Now today we are going to discuss about the second component of skin, that is dermis. So you can see this dermis, it is the inner thick layer. Okay, it is the inner thick layer of connective tissue which is made up of elastic fibers. Now this dermis, it lies next to the epidermis, means epidermis having three layers. The last layer is Malpighian layer. Just after the Malpighian layer, there is presence of dermis, and this dermis is a thick layer, okay, which is composed of elastic fibers. Now, as it is thick, it is a little bit elastic, okay, due to presence of elastic fiber, and it is tough. So you can see here it is tough and flexible. It is having some amount of flexibility, means it can bend. Next is it is thick at some places. So in our body it is thick, a little bit thick at some places like on our palms and the soles. Also it is thin at some places like the eyelids. Okay, eyelids जो हमारी आंखों के ऊपर, पलकों के ऊपर जस्ट जो स्किन है वो कैसी होती है, स्मूथ, very thin. So it is just because of this dermis. Next is, now this dermis, it consists of blood vessels, nerve fibers, sensory organs, hair follicles and sweat glands. So you would have noticed that in case of epidermis, we have not discussed any of these parts because these components are missing in case of epidermis. That's why I told you that whenever we are getting pricked with a pin or any sharp object in case of epidermal layers, we do not have any sensation. Also the blood does not come out because it is lacking all these components at all places. Next is, dermis has some outer projections. Some numerous outer projections are there in the dermis layer which are known as papillae. Again I am repeating because the word papillae is very important. Papillae is the outward projections present on the dermis, okay, and these papillae, they contains the blood capillaries and nerve endings which play a very important role in the sensation of touch and pain. Okay, means the papillae, they are responsible for having the sensation of touch and the pain. So these are the points which are very important regarding the dermis.